everyone, it's Itzy, and today we have an easy mango sorbet recipe that only requires 3 ingredients. Of course, one of those ingredients is mango, and we use 2 atafel mangoes. The first thing we're going to do is slice our mangoes. This recipe is super refreshing, so it's great for those hot summer days. After slicing the mangoes, you're going to scoop out the flesh. And then cut your mango into cubes. Also cut off the mango from the pits. You can also just simply eat it and not use it in your sorbet. We just don't want to waste it because there is quite a lot of fruit on there. Now let's put the mango cubes into a Ziploc bag to freeze it. I realized that it would probably have froze faster if I lay the cubes on a baking dish with parchment paper. So if you want to wait for less time, feel free to do that. Anyways, I just pop the bag in the freezer overnight, and the next day they'll be ready to blend. It's the next day now, and our mango is completely frozen. After adding it to a food processor, I squeezed in about half of a lemon. Also add in some honey for sweetness. The measurement is entirely up to you, but I added about 1 tablespoon. When you first start blending it, it's going to look quite dry and not really like the texture of sorbet, but it will slowly start coming together like you see here. And there you have it, easy mango sorbet. I thought that the 2 mangoes that I used would be able to fill these 2 bowls, but I guess the mangoes that I used were quite small, so I just put them in 1 bowl. Feel free to put some dry coconut on it, or you can add any other toppings that you think would go well with this. Thanks for watching! If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and like the video.